Are you spending 80 hours a week trying to make 5K every single month? Seriously, ditch the hard mode and let's make this super easy. By the end of this video, you're going to have step-by-step instructions on how to structure your business so that you can make 5K every single month on a part-time schedule. And here's the thing. I'm Michelle, mom of four. My oldest is 6 years old, so we're talking really young. And in the past 6 years, I've built up a bookkeeping business from nothing to multiple employees, a marketing agency from nothing to multiple subcontractors. And now I coach moms on how to do the exact same thing. And here's the thing. When we have small kids at home, we cannot work 80 hours a week on our business like most other entrepreneurs do. That is why mompreneurship is so unique and so special. And so when I'm telling you that you can make 5K every single month on a part-time schedule, I'm telling you that I work 2 to 3 hours a day, 5 days a week, and I just made 5K in the past 30 days. So let's get into it. Okay. Now, here's the truth. Business is broken up into three phases. The first phase is having an irresistible offer. When you have an irresistible offer that people feel stupid saying no to, it is a lot easier to sell them on what you're trying to sell them on. And so making sure that your offer is actually rock solid is the first thing that you want to make sure you're focusing on. That is something that you just want to make sure it's a little bit tested. You want to look out there and see what types of problems you can actually solve and what types of skill sets you have that other people are looking for. The fact is that you only have to be 10% better than somebody else for that person to justify spending money with you. So don't think you have to be an expert in this. You just have to have a skill or an ability or knowledge that others are willing to pay for. And here's a little pro tip. A saturated market is a proven market. So when you're trying to figure out what to go into for business, look at where there is high demand and either learn the skills to then make yourself profitable there, or look for something you're already knowledgeable in and figure out how to make it profitable. Okay. When you're trying to refine your offer, you want to think about your offer from four different positions. Most people buy an offer that goes back to human desire. Human desire is the desire for beauty, the desire for wealth, the desire for good relationships, and the desire for comfort. And we're not talking leisure comfort, we're talking comfort from chronic physical pain. When someone is so distraught every single day from chronic physical pain, they'll spend money to relieve it. If what you're doing doesn't directly tie into one of those, you can do a tactic called offer masking. And what that means is that you take whatever it is you're doing and you figure out the benefits of whatever it is you're doing and relate that back to one of those four key offers. So, what does this look like? Maybe you're a dancer and you want to teach couples how to dance. You don't position it as we teach couples how to swing dance, but we help partners have a better relationship by transforming their marriage through dance. Something like that. Everybody wants to have better relationships with their partners. They're willing to spend money on it. And so that is a way that you can position your offer if you're having a hard time selling dance lessons. And so that's just one example of ways that you can mask your offer to fit into one of those four human desire offers. Once you have a solid offer, the next step is going to be your setup. You need to attract your leads to come to you. And here's the thing. Cold outreach is a full-time job in and of itself. I'm a mom, and I don't know about you, but I don't have the time to be spending 80 hours a week trying to get clients. That is honestly so unnecessary these days. What I want you to do is try to focus on what is something that you can give away for free that is pre-made, so you're not having to spend time doing this every single potential client you're meeting. So this can look like a checklist. It can look like a pre-made video or a pre-made training. It can look like a coffee chat. It can look like a group setting. It can look like all different kinds of things. So you want to think of something that actually gives value. You want your freebie to be so good that you actually feel stupid giving it away for free. It should feel so good that you want to charge for it, but you're not going to. And why are you not going to? Because one, if it is that good, people will sign up for it for free. And once they do sign up from it and they have small wins from it, they're going to have that rapport built with you. They're going to have a taste of what it's like to work with you. And they're going to want to reach out to figure out how to work with you further and take advantage of your full capabilities. The other things we want to think about is the other parts of the setup. So you have a freebie that's gathering different leads, but how do you actually realistically work that? So there's multiple different ways. You can one, have a YouTube video, sort of like this one you're watching here, or you can also take advantage and leverage other people's audiences. And if you want to leverage my audience, go ahead and hit that link down below and you can join our free coffee chats for mompreneurs. We meet every single week and they're always a lot of fun. But back to it. You either want to create your own audience or leverage others. And my favorite strategy is to leverage others while you're building up your audience so that eventually you can make that switcheroo. And then your own audience is continuing to grow off of your own efforts. So here's what I recommend. You can take Facebook groups that are already highly established and full of your target audience, make posts in them, basically asking them if they want your freebie. And here's the thing, you're not selling, you're not pitching, you're not promoting, you're asking them if they want something for free. A lot of people appreciate that. And a lot of them are even willing to give you their information for it. And that's exactly what you want to do. Two, the setup. You're going to set this up in such a way that you're going to have an opt-in page that they can enter in their email address and get put into an email opt-in. The other option is having some level of a community where all these people can come together. My huge thing is school. I love the school platform. I think it's absolutely brilliant. I'm even repping school right now. The school platform is amazing because it's a place where you can have all of your biggest fans and all your newbies all in the same room. And here's the thing, there is nothing better than having other people talk about how great you are, because I can sit here and talk about how great I am, but when they're in the same coffee chat as my client who's crushing it, they're going to see those results right then and there. And it's coming from someone else. And that gives it so much more credibility. So school is a great platform. There's so many other benefits to school, but I recommend that you want to have a school community where you can funnel your traffic into, and that's where you can nurture them and help them grow. But essentially, you're going to have a solid offer. You're going to have a lead generation strategy, which is going to be having a freebie, posting in these different groups at the same time you're building up a YouTube channel. And you're going to be working this in such a way that literally you make a post in the morning throughout the day as people are commenting on it. You send them DMs, you send them the link to your school community so they can get access to the freebie and join your community and get access to being nurtured through you. You're also going to have a conversation with them in the DMs, build a little bit more rapport. You're also going to have conversations in your school community to help foster and nurture those leads. And then you're going to show up. You're going to show up in that community and keep giving value and keep giving value. And those people that are super warmed up and nurtured are going to reach out to you and they're going to DM you because now they want to buy from you. And here's the thing, I have a 100% close rate at the time of this recording because every single person who books a call with us is 100% ready to buy. We don't even have to convince them. Why? Because I attract them in by the stuff that we're doing, by the freebie that we offer, and they come into our community, they are nurtured, they get quick wins, they know that what I'm doing helps them, and then they sit there and reach out to me because now they're ready to actually buy. Okay, so what does this look like on a day-to-day basis? And this is where it gets tricky because a lot of people sit there and say, how can you run this business on a part-time schedule? And the reality is, once you have an optimized school community, once you have your freebie that works, once you have your messaging that works, once you have an offer that works, it takes time to test all of those things out. But once you have them that works and you know what groups get you results and you know what posts get you results, all you have to do is make the posts in those groups, wait for people to comment, you send them DMs, they join your school community. Throughout the day while I'm playing with my kids and homeschooling my kids and cooking and cleaning, I'm responding to messages, I'm making posts. And then at the end of the day, when my husband's home, I have my calendar set up and that's when I work with my clients. So when I tell you that I work 2 to 3 hours a day, 5 days a week, making 5K every single month, this is how it works. And this is with or without a team. Right now I have a team that even handles all the sales for me. But before that, I took sales calls on the weekends and I took sales calls in the evenings and I did all of my DMs during the day. And that's it. That was the only difference between then and now. And so I want you to think about How can I make 5K in 90 days on a part-time schedule? You got to figure out a good offer. You got to figure out a good freebie, put a community together, and then start figuring out which groups have your target audience, post in them, figure out the posts that actually work and attract people, the right phrasing, the right graphics, all of it. And then you just start having these conversations and getting people filled into your community. And then you nurture them and just provide as much value as possible. And people will 100% buy from you if you do that. So if you need any help with any of this, click the link down below and I'll be excited to see you in there.